Stop guessing on why VRR is not working on your ROG Ally X in Windows 11. This is exactly how you beat it, without failing once. Most other tutorials are confusing or just plain wrong, because they tell you just toggle one switch. But before we enter the settings, you need to understand the logic, or you will just get stuck again. We are going to do this hand in hand and step by step. So, it is impossible for you to fail this fix. Rexis is the authority on these display issues because we know exactly how the Ally X hardware interacts with the latest Windows updates. You are playing your favorite game and seeing screen tearing even though you think VRR is on, which feels like a total waste of that premium display. Listen closely. The secret trick other creators missed is that for VRR to actually engage on the Ally X, you must have optimizations for window games, enabling the Windows graphics settings, or the system will ignore your refresh rate requests in borderless mode. To fix this right now, go to Windows Settings, then System, and then Display. Click on Graphics, and then select Change Default Graphics Settings at the very top. Toggle on both variable refresh rate and optimizations for window games. Now, the final piece of the logic is in the AMD software. Open the AMD Adrenalin app, go to Gaming, then Display, and ensure AMD FreeSync is set to AMD Optimized or On. If you are still seeing tearing, the answer is simple. You must go into your game's video settings and disable VSync and any in-game frame caps that are set to exactly 60. Your Ally X is now perfectly synced and every frame will be buttery smooth. If you want the solution for the next Windows 11 performance, bug comment below right now.